The new law year officially begins on January 10th, 2025, with the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court hosting ceremonial proceedings and a series of events. Chief Registrar Michelle John Theebles highlights that this occasion marks the start of a new judicial term for the court's judges.
The Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court is so happy to present to the citizens of the Eastern Caribbean, of which St. Lucia is a part, the opening of the law year 2025. This is usually the highlight of the court's calendar, and it's the time when we have our ceremonial opening for the law year. This year, as in every other year, we have a number of activities planned. And it's on Friday, the 10th of January, 2025.
The Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court presents the opening of the law year 2025. Meet the speakers.
Leading up to the celebrations is a three-part live series, Meet the Speakers, streamed on the Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court's Facebook page from January 7th to the 9th at 3 p.m. daily. This interactive event features insights from esteemed legal professionals, including Acting Chief Justice Mario Michel and St. Lucia's Attorney General Leslie Mondesi.
For St. Lucia, we start off with a church service at the Bethel Tabernacle in Sans Souci. That starts off at 8:15 a.m. That is followed by the usual procession from the Bethel Tabernacle to the National Cultural Center that has been designated a court for the purposes of this special sitting. And on the grounds of the National Cultural Center, the Acting Chief Justice, His Lordship the Honorable Mr. Mario Michel, will do the inspection of the guard of honor, and that's going to be followed shortly after at 10 a.m. by the special sitting to mark the opening.
The Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court, ECSC, remains a cornerstone of justice, upholding the rule of law across the region. John Theebles commends the ECSC's advancements in digitization, particularly the e-litigation portal, which aims to reduce delays, improve case clearance rates, and enhance file accessibility. This year's new law year is themed Accessibility and Awareness, the ECSC bridging the gap through community engagement.
The special sitting this year will be broadcast live from St. Lucia, where the Court of Appeal will be sitting, and we have His Lordship, the Honorable Mr. Mario Michel, Acting Chief Justice. He will deliver the feature address for the special sitting. Also speaking on that day will be the representative for St. Lucia, who is the Honorable Leslie Mondesi, the Attorney General. He will be speaking on behalf of the Attorneys General throughout the OECS and also as the representative for St. Lucia, as I indicated earlier. We also have a number of speakers from the other member states and territories. They will be coming in live via Zoom from their various courthouses around the member states and territories.
The speakers are set to center their addresses on this year's theme, with much anticipation for His Lordship, Acting Chief Justice Mario Michel's speech. His delivery is expected to highlight the court's key initiatives from 2024 and outline its goals and expectations for 2025.
We would really like to invite the public to be a part of the opening of the law year 2025. This court is not my court or the Chief Justice's court. It is the court of the Eastern Caribbean people, and we would like persons to get involved. Come hear what the court has been doing, the initiatives and the reforms planned for the people of the Caribbean and other stakeholders. Join us at the Bethel Tabernacle from 8:15 for the church service, and thereafter at the National Cultural Center for the special sitting, which will begin at 10 a.m. If you can't join us in person, we're inviting you to view via the various GIS platforms, also on the court's website, www.eccourts.org, or on our YouTube or Facebook pages.
The Eastern Caribbean Supreme Court holds unlimited jurisdiction in each member state of the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States, OECS, and is tasked with interpreting and applying their laws, resolving civil and criminal cases, and handling appeals.